NASA doesn't actually have a reason for why it calls people who go to space astronauts. According to one of its historians, Jennifer Ross Nazel, a historian at NASA's Johnson Space Center, told Supercluster the agency first started using the term in 1958, the same year NASA was founded. The term was used in job listing when looking for applicants to enroll in its astronaut program. However, the reason behind why it was chosen is yet to be disclosed. Ross Nazel told the publication that NASA has also considered Cosmonaut and Universaler, but why astronaut took the spot was never recorded in the agency's historical documents. The mystery surrounding the term has sparked a conversation on Reddit, where the users have been discussing the link between the sci-fi genre in literature and how it has influenced modern-day space terminology. The word astronaut, which means star sailor in Latin, was first used in English language fiction by Neil Ronald Jones in The Death's Head Meteor. As one user points out, Jones was a pioneer in the sci-fi genre and could have very well contributed to making the word more familiar and recognizable. Another user also pointed out that the word robot was coined by playwright Karel Čapek in the early 1900s. His play Rosam Universal Robots was about a factory that builds robots to do everyday tasks for humans. As NASA explains on its website, the term astronaut refers to all who have been launched as crew members aboard NASA spacecraft bound for orbit and beyond. The term astronaut has been maintained as a title for those selected to join the NASA Corps of Astronauts who make space sailing their career profession. Another Reddit user pointed out that the term astronaut was also used as the name of a spacecraft in Percy Gregg's 1880 science fiction novel Across the Zodiac, the story of a wrecked record. As for why NASA chose astronaut over some of its other options, one person summarized that it's much easier to say. Just going by what sticks out the most to me, astronaut rolls off the tongue so much easier than cosmonaut, and we lazy, they wrote. Others suggested it could be to distinguish American space sailors from other countries. For example, in Russia, those who travel to space are termed cosmonauts. All American astronaut makes sense to me, one person said. They used the term astronaut since the term cosmonaut was associated with the Soviets, another said.